Move it up more.
Hold on, my fingers cramped up. Oh.
Cheers. Cheers. Work on the roof, you gotta coi độ trệ.
Got it?
Yeah. Rồi. Go on the other side and hold it. Should have hammered it more. You want to climb up and just hold it? Watch out. Get it. Oh shit. Yeah. All right, let me hammer this down. Let me go over there and let me hit. Hold on. Yeah, let me hammer this one. Stretch your finger, yo.
Oh,
At the pass me a nail. We'll align it up after, you know. Couple more there. It's good. Trời. Trời. Do that side. Your finger, good. So, two here, and then one more there. Good. All right, it is now 3 p.m. We've been taking our time because it's hot, taking breaks in between, and we've got the unlayment on this side. Still waiting for the top, taking a little break, and that's it. And then once this is down, we'll trim the edges and start laying the shingles. All right. You ready? Yeah. 5 more minutes. Heat is brutal. All right, so get everything underlaid. Now we're ready to do the shingles. Yeah. Whew, now I'm gonna have a beer. Whew, it is hot up in here. Cheers. It's having a hard time with the ladder. Hey, homie, you need some help?
Yeah, my arm is like giving up.
His energy level is low. It is now 3:26 in the PM. Start the first shingle. Let's go. Look level.
Why don't you just move it to the right so you don't have to cut it up?
That's what the directions say. Ni cái hao nail. Nó so cái hao nail. Yeah, ni cái hao hammer. Chop. What miếng cái lanh hammer. Joel. It's like you nail like right here,
Okay.
right on the edge, like that.
4 nails per shingle, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's what it say on the instruction. Quay đây. Quay đây.
I just like to white day every day.
Okay, so now I put the second layer on the first row. I think it goes like this. So we'll just do that. And just nail it. Wait, you want to do the other?
shit, I think I hit
harder. Joe. Yeah.
Khmer pi nẹt châu krongក្តៅខ្លាំងកាន់ឈើកាន់ដែកញញឹមទាំងស្បែកខ្មៅញើសហូរតាមថ្ងាសជោគដល់ខោខ្លីតែដៃមិនឈប់ទេសងស្រក់តូចមួយនេះថ្ងៃក្តៅដូចភ្លើងខ្យល់ក៏ហត់ដែរប៉ាមួយមើលប៉ាមួយហើយសាច់ថាបន្តសងស្រក់តូចសងទៅមុខទៀតញើសនៅក្នុងខោតែចិត្តមិនលួសងស្រក់តូចសម្រាប់គ្រួសារយើងក្រោមថ្ងៃក្តៅនេះប៉ាខ្មែរមិនចាញ់ទេ
Okay, I just finished the third row. I think we kind of messed up at this bottom, but I think we're all right. It's only a shed, but so far looking good. What do you guys think? So far so good? Leave some comments. We're not professionals. We just regular dads trying to save some money doing our own work. All right, that was an exhausting event. We started since 11 a.m. and now it's about, let's see, 5:30 p.m. and we finished this section. Took multiple breaks. We still got the other side to do. And, yeah, everything looking good. Looking like a roof. Now we got the other side. Let's extend it. I'll extend this. Let you guys see it. See? Now we got this side to do, and it's gonna be all right. If you guys like this video, just like and subscribe or something like that. So yeah, like and subscribe.